Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm excited to be with you today because I get to introduce a brand new Little Peeps, yay, and an item that, actually two items that have been so requested. It's almost like I'm trying to get it as fast as I can kind of thing. So I'm really excited about that. So let's talk about first the item that some of you might already have because you bought the kit that matches. But now we are offering the Peacock Ink Pad and refill. So now that's available on our website if you didn't get it in the kit. Now, we are also releasing, are you ready? Are you ready? Our little peep. The next little peep is Little Peeps Monkey. Now, isn't he absolutely positively adorable? Look at his cute little ears, his little clothes. Now, don't forget, his clothing fits on all the other little peeps and vice versa, right? They all get to share their clothing. They're like little paper dolls. And it says, "You are more fun than a barrel of monkeys." That sounds like monkey business. Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle and not my circus and not my monkeys. And let me tell you, sometimes I say that one a lot. So that is now available on our website. And club members, of course, you're getting the club discount. Also on our website, lots and lots and lots of you already have the Mini Slimline card die set. And one of the items that has been most requested, because we showed you a sneak peek on this, is that scalloped rectangle in the slimline version. Are you ready for this? Look at this. Yay! We now have them mini scalloped rectangles for our Mini Slimline card die set. Yay! Now I have a ton of samples to share with you on that one. One more thing that's available now on our website that is so brand new, even I don't have one to show you in person, is our newest mini ink pads. It's a 4 set and it's our 4 newest colors. Make sure you check out that on the website. But first, let's look at some fun samples using the Mini Slimline cards. Look how cute that is. Smile. It makes others wonder. Isn't that cute? Here's a cute one. Now, also, don't forget you can mix and match it with the stitched rectangles or the regular rectangles. This one has a regular rectangle. This one had a stitched rectangle, but look at how much fun they are. Here's a cute one with that 2 rectangles and then the scallop behind it. Here is a very subtle one with that pattern paper on it from Our Home to Yours. Look how cute that is. So you can see you're going to use this for every holiday, every occasion. It's your birthday with that fun scallop, or happy holidays with our cute little kitty Pudgy, so cute. Or you can even do it with some cacti. Look how pretty that is, some succulents, so nice. Or you could just do one of the smaller ones for a title, but first coffee. Look at that. Now, here's a great one to show you all about those fun rectangles. Look at how awesome that is. Hello. So simple too, right? Now, look at this one. This one's really cute. This one created a window. So look, you can see that it says love on the inside and you can open it up. Love. Isn't that fun? And here's a cute one with our dragonflies, spread your wings, and another one with our dragonflies. Look how fun it is. Just same items, just by changing the colors, you get 2 totally different looks. So much fun. Now again, club members, of course you're getting the club discount on these. If you want to see these cards up close and personal, please go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on gallery, and you can look at all of these samples and tons more, and upload your own creations as well. You can print the items, you can favorite them, so you can always have them at your fingertips. Now, if you're not in the club, I don't know what to tell you. You need to go check it out. It's amazing. Go to the website, again, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch that video to find out how awesome it is, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss out. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.